Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're diving into YouTube automation and how it can skyrocket your channel growth. In today's fast-paced digital world, working smarter, not harder, is key to success. That's where automation comes in. It's a game changer for content creators, allowing you to streamline your workflow, maintain consistency, and focus on what really matters, creating great content. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your established channel to the next level, mastering YouTube automation can be the difference between stagnation and explosive growth. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to put your channel growth on autopilot. Let's get started. YouTube automation is the process of using tools and strategies to streamline various aspects of channel management and content creation. It involves leveraging technology to handle repetitive tasks, optimize your workflow, and maximize your channel's performance with minimal manual intervention. This can include scheduling uploads, automating SEO processes, managing comments, and even aspects of content creation itself. The primary goal is to free up your time and resources, allowing you to focus on producing high-quality content and strategic planning. By implementing automation, creators can maintain a consistent posting schedule, improve engagement, and scale their channel more efficiently. It's not about replacing the human touch, but enhancing your productivity and reach. Let's dive into the key automation strategies that can transform your YouTube channel. First up is content planning. Use content calendars to map out your video topics weeks or even months in advance. Tools like Trello or Asana can help you organize your ideas and schedule. Pair this with scheduling features on YouTube Studio to ensure consistent uploads, even when you're away. For video production, create templates for your intros, outros, and graphics. This maintains brand consistency and saves time. Adopt batch recording and editing techniques. Set aside dedicated days for filming multiple videos, then edit them in bulk. This approach is far more efficient than producing videos one at a time. SEO optimization is crucial. Utilize keyword research tools like TubeMagic or vidIQ to find trending topics and optimize your content. Some tools can even suggest titles and descriptions based on your target keywords, streamlining the process. Thumbnail creation is often overlooked but vital for click-through rates. Use template-based thumbnail makers to create eye-catching thumbnails quickly. Some platforms offer A/B testing features, allowing you to optimize your thumbnails for maximum impact. By implementing these strategies, you will significantly reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creating engaging content and growing your channel. Remember, the goal of automation is to enhance your productivity, not to replace your unique creative input.
If you give me just 15 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your YouTube videos in a matter of seconds using a specific AI tool. If we go to the tool and click this section called Warp Upload, then we can paste in a video URL of one of our unlisted videos before we upload it. After that, we just click this button right here. And then what this tool is going to do is scan through the video and what is said in the video, and then craft the perfect titles, description, and tags, and you can literally just copy paste this into your videos and you're ready to go. Now the tool is called a TubeMagic, and it will also write your scripts. It has script templates for how-to scripts, script outlines, YouTube short scripts, and it'll also help you come up with great video ideas and a bunch of other awesome things. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using TubeMagic as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to TubeMagic with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using TubeMagic to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with TubeMagic, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, TubeMagic does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of TubeMagic, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.
Engagement automation is crucial for maintaining a thriving YouTube community. Start with comment moderation tools to filter out spam and inappropriate content automatically. This keeps your comments section clean and welcoming. Some tools can even help you respond to common questions with pre-written answers, saving you time while still engaging with your audience. For broader reach, automate your social media sharing. Use platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer to automatically post about your new videos across various social media channels. This ensures your content gets maximum exposure without you having to manually share on each platform. Consider implementing chatbots on your channel's associated website or Discord server. These can handle basic viewer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and freeing up your time. Remember, while automation is helpful, it's important to maintain a personal touch. Regularly review automated responses and engage directly with your community to build genuine connections. The goal is to use automation to enhance, not replace, your interaction with viewers. Analytics and growth tracking are essential for understanding your channel's performance and making data-driven decisions. Implement dashboard tools that aggregate your YouTube analytics data into easy-to-read visualizations. Platforms like Social Blade or TubeMagic offer comprehensive analytics suites that go beyond YouTube's native tools. Set up automated reporting systems to receive regular updates on key metrics like view count, watch time, subscriber growth, and engagement rates. This allows you to spot trends and react quickly to changes in your channel's performance. Use tools that provide competitive analysis, comparing your channel's growth to others in your niche. This can help you identify successful strategies and areas for improvement. Implement A/B testing for your video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. Some automation tools can rotate between different options and report on which performs best. By automating your analytics and tracking, you'll save time on data collection and analysis, allowing you to focus on interpreting the results and adjusting your content strategy accordingly. This data-driven approach is key to sustainable channel growth. Monetization automation can significantly boost your channel's revenue without requiring constant manual oversight. Start with ad placement optimization tools that analyze your content and viewer behavior to strategically place ads for maximum engagement and minimal disruption. Implement affiliate link management systems to automatically insert relevant affiliate links into your video descriptions based on the content. These tools can track click-through rates and conversions, helping you focus on the most profitable partnerships. For channels with memberships or merchandise, use automation to manage tier benefits, send personalized welcome messages, and update member-exclusive content. Consider using tools that help you identify and reach out to potential sponsors based on your niche and audience demographics. Some platforms can even handle initial negotiations and contract drafting. Automate your payment systems for super chats, channel memberships, and other revenue streams to ensure timely processing and record keeping. By automating these aspects of monetization, you can maximize your earning potential while minimizing the time spent on administrative tasks, allowing you to focus on creating great content. While automation can greatly benefit your channel, it's important to be aware of potential pitfalls. Over-automation is a common risk that can make your content feel impersonal or robotic. To avoid this, maintain a balance between automated processes and personal touch. Be cautious with auto-generated content or responses. While they can save time, they may lack the authenticity your audience expects. Regularly review and update your automated systems to ensure they align with your brand voice and current content strategy. Another risk is becoming overly reliant on automation tools. Always have a backup plan in case these tools fail or change their services. Understand the core principles behind each automated process so you can step in if needed. Privacy and data security are also concerns. Choose reputable automation tools and understand how they handle your and your audience's data. Lastly, remember that trends and algorithms change. Regularly reassess your automation strategies to ensure they're still effective and compliant with platform policies. Stay flexible and ready to adapt your approach as needed. To wrap up, we've covered the essentials of YouTube automation, from content planning and video production to SEO optimization, engagement strategies, analytics tracking, and monetization. Remember, automation is a powerful tool to grow your channel. but it's not a replacement for quality content and genuine audience connection. Use these strategies to free up your time and resources, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating value for your viewers. Implement these automation techniques gradually, and you'll see your channel grow more efficiently. Start with 1 or 2 strategies that align best with your current needs, then expand as you become more comfortable with the process. Now, it's over to you. In the comments below, let me know which automation strategy you're most excited to try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Speaking of growth, are you ready to take your side hustle game to the next level? In our next video, 5 crazy AI-powered side hustles you can start today. We'll explore innovative ways to leverage artificial intelligence for some seriously cool income streams, from AI-generated art to personalized chatbots. You won't want to miss these cutting-edge opportunities. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.